I dropped out from college because I was insecure. I was not insecure about my looks. I was insecure about my resources as a working student. So disclaimer lang, I created this video kasi sobrang dami nagtatanong sa akin kung bakit daw ako nag-drop. So eto, para isahan na lang. Going back, for almost 2 years, I have been creating content here on TikTok to provide for myself. I create TikTok to put a roof over my head, to pay my tuition fee, and of course, para hindi ako magutom. If not all of my friends, then majority of them, pagkagising nila, may pagkain na sa lamesa, may allowance na sila for the week, for the whole month, or for the day. Meanwhile, on my end naman, I have to budget things out kasi pag nag-overspend ako ng kahit konti, baka ma-short ako for my rent. Pag nag-overspend ako, baka hindi na ako makakain on the following week. So, ayun. I mean, normal naman mag-budget, di ba? Pero kasi, emotionally, I am still immature eh. I was put in this situation at a very young age, kaya ganun siguro. And also, I kept on overthinking things kasi ayoko magkamali. Okay? Alam niyo yun, parang everyday ayoko na gumising kasi pag gumising ako parang nasa digmaan ako eh. That's what I felt. Pag-uwi naman, usually my friends will sleep, magsa-study sila for a quiz, tapos kakain lang sila. And on the other hand, I have to create videos na hindi ko gusto. I have to pitch myself to different brands para magkaroon ako ng income. Kasi if hindi ko siya ginawa, walang mangyayari sa akin. And there is no guarantee na magre-reply sila. And as the usual, I will overthink and I will reminisce about my past. Before naman, I came from a family na okay naman. Wala kaming problema in any aspect at all. Pero yun nga, nagkaroon kami ng family problem so we went from riches to rags, I think. So hindi ko siya ma-process talaga sa sarili ko. And also, a factor that I considered sa pagda-drop out is I rushed things out. So a factor that I considered in dropping out is I was afraid na mapag-iwanan ako ng people na nasa paligid ko. Natatakot ako na parang walang nangyayari sa buhay ko. Last year naman, kinaya ko siya and I thought that even next year, kakayanin ko siya, which is ngayon, and hindi siya nangyari. Minadali ko siya hanggang sa na-drain ako ng sobra. So, as a result, I seek for advice to those people na mas nakakatanda sa akin sa college. They told me that hindi naman siya minamadali kasi I know a lot of people in college na yung age nila mas mataas talaga sa akin and they told me that it's okay na hindi ka muna mag-aral for your own sanity. It's okay na hindi ka muna mag-aral kasi hindi naman siya minamadali. You can always come back sa pag-aaral kapag kaya mo na. Personally, it hurts me so much na hindi ako nag-aaral. It hurts me so much kapag nakakita ko na nag-aaral tapos ako hindi. Kasi gusto ko talaga mag-aral, I must say. So, overall, I think I failed as a student, pero I think I won as a person. Kasi I learned a lot of things, hindi lang academically. I learned a lot of things na life lessons talaga na madadala ko pagtanda ko. For those people na minamadali yung mga bagay-bagay, don't rush things kasi and then baka ma-drain ka lang. Coming from my own experience na yun ha. So, yun lang.